Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make scrambled eggs in an egg cooker. Start by cracking eggs into a bowl and whisking with a pinch of salt and 1 tablespoon milk per egg. Add chopped herbs or cheese now if you like. Pour the whisked eggs into the cooker tray, add the recommended water level for scrambled settings, close the lid, and set the timer according to your model's guide. Whisking is the secret to fluffy scrambled eggs, so whisk vigorously until slightly frothy. Mix in 1 tablespoon milk per egg and season with salt and pepper, and fold in optional ingredients like cheese or herbs. Grease the cooker, plate lightly with butter or oil to prevent sticking. Pour the mixture evenly into the tray and level it so eggs cook uniformly across the surface for best results. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough for great fit and a lifetime warranty. They stay comfy even when you're on your feet cooking breakfast. I'll put a link in the description so you can check deals and sizing. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Timing matters. Follow your egg cooker water chart to pick soft, medium, or firm texture, and use digits for precision like 3 minutes for softer curds. If your cooker permits, open and stir halfway for creamier, separated curds. Remove eggs promptly when done to prevent overcooking, then let them rest for about 1 minute so residual heat finishes the set without drying them out. Serve hot for best flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.